Hello there. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, we're in a huge hurry. What are we getting ready for? What? Drum roll. Another beginner's day. Yeah, we're going to another beginner's day. We have been to two so far. We've been to two beginner's day. One, you've seen on the channel already. Two, second one, you did not see because we did not record that day. And I tell you something, I wish we recorded that day. Cut to the clip. Yeah, so as you've seen in the clip, there was a lot of damage. Is it very bad? No, it's still drivable. We still managed to finish that day. We went ahead and just eyeballed the tracking, the camber, we just done whatever we could do to get it back on track. So what we've done actually so far since that day is I've ordered up a load of parts. One, we've ordered up pockets, or the brackets. We've ordered trailing arm bushes, differential bushes, hydro, and also subframe bush. We have our parts. We have the parts that we need. We're going to go ahead and do that. We are stuck for time. It's currently 12:30 and we need to get all of this done before 7, 8, 9 o'clock. There's a lot to do and very little time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start off with the quickest things or the easiest things to do first. I want to try to get as much as done possible today. So I believe that doing with the easiest things first will grant me that. We're going to do the caster first. Why caster? Because one of the problems that she was having was that the car was very snappy. And I took it for a test drive and it turned out that it was very snappy. It was. It flung me way too quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the amount of caster that we have. I believe in the previous video, I did mention how to get more caster in. And look at us now taking it out. Now, we have it currently set like this. We currently have it set up for front and back, for caster. We're going to take that back down and put it back to camber adjustment. Which that means then we're going to have to take out the spacers. We're going to have to take out the knuckle spacers, kind of like the washers that you put in behind for E36s to get more camber. I'm going to take that out because it's going to be way too much camber then. Yeah, so I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to get that done first on passenger and driver. And then we can start rocking then with the rest of the tasks. Like I mentioned earlier, we're in such a rush. Need to get this done today. Because especially that on Friday, we're going for tracking. Anyways, work on. All my tools are condensated. God damn it. Now. Oh! It's a bad idea, doing it this way. Yeah. It's a bit of a bad idea the way I'm doing it. I'll probably end up crushing my finger. But at least it'll be on camera. Get in. Oh. That was easy. No, it wasn't. No. Cool. And we still have loads of caster. Spot on. That's exactly what I wanted for her. Is caster, but not too much. Now, I'm gonna move on to the other side now. Actually, I remember now, one of my mates did actually mention to take that caster back out and put it the way it was originally. Good job, Gary. Oh yeah. Okay, this side is a bit more difficult. Oh. Danger. Hardship. Done. Sweet. I wish you could play music in here. But no. Copyright strikes. Oh, my fingers. Mint. No. Sweet. No, wrong way. Come out. Right, we're going to move over to the other side now. Same concept. Remove the washers in behind the knuckle. I might throw it into a time lapse. Time lapse. Front suspension, check. So far, we have strut towers replaced back into camber. We've also removed the washers in the knuckles. So now, what I'm now going to do is, we're going to take the rear camber arm off and we're just going to hammer it out. Try bend it back into its original position. Let's get that done. I've been thinking about it for a few minutes here now, and the only way I see it is using this. No, 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 no. God damn it. Yeah. We managed to get it like this. So now we have to head this side, push that in, and then we can bend these back. Factory mint! Sweet. Yeah. We got that bit back. So now I'm going to straighten these up, nice and perfect, followed by cleaning the groove in here, to which then, oh wow, I just noticed. It's better than what it was. I'm gonna clean this up, clean this groove here, and I'm going to re-weld it again, just to give it extra strength. We have bent it back, but in consequence we kind of pushed this back the way it was, or with the bend. But it's not as severe, so what I'm thinking is I'll leave it at that, because how much closer can I get this without actually breaking it? Do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to just leave it. I've test fitted this on the bushing. It fits. I don't care. Now, cleaning the groove. Clean that groove right here, re-weld it, make it stronger again. Where are my funny goggles? We're back with the goggles, boys. Fuck yeah. That'll do. Right. Oh jeez, there's more condensation. Right. Let's rock. Sweet. Let me show you real quick. I believe that's gonna do the job. It will do. Do you know? Right, I'm gonna put this arm straight back onto the car. And like I said earlier, or before, on to the next job. Yes! Right, got it all done. Yes, like I mentioned earlier, it's not exactly perfect. It wasn't going to be perfect because we're repairing a fucked item. I'd love to make it like this one, which is perfectly fine, but can't do it. Now, putting this back in as fast as possible. We'll see how we get on with this one now. Come on. Just cut the clip to me being finished already. Right, done. That was an absolute pain in the ass to get done. So, while the camera's set up here, I'm going to take this pocket down, change it out for the new one, for the bracket. It's more adjustable as well. Change it out, and then we will be done on the rear end-ish. Lovely tool. Let me just... Incredibly rusty in there. Yeah. Incredibly rusty. Now, we're going to take this bracket, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what the real name is. I'm going to change it out now. That's the bracket. Ugly. I think it's like this. Alright. Okay. Now, done. Camber arm repaired, bent back into place. We didn't do the bushing, we didn't do the trailing arm bushing, which is something that I will be doing in the future. But as I said earlier, I have no time. I have to get this car done today. So we've replaced the pocket bracket, which will allow us for more adjustability. I have to get the other side done, but I'm just going to do it off camera because you've seen it already. You see me already getting it done. When I'm done, what we're going to do then is we're going to install the lovely hydro. Right, onto the other pocket, and I'll be right back. And we're in the car. The brackets for the trailing arms they're done. There's gonna be loads of more adjustability now for toe in, toe out, which is perfect. So now we have proceeded to go inside the car and we're going to be taking off this. So I'm going to take off the whole bracket, going to undo the screws for this hydro black bracket, and I'm going to take the actual piston off this handle. Now, no more yapping. Now, screws are out, which means I can remove this fella. Remove the pin. No. Come out. Yes, I forgot. I'm actually going to need this one. What is it, 14? Nice one. Nice one. We got the bracket off. Now, I'm gonna undo these. Take this handle off, and we're gonna have to re-drill this handle, or holes for the handle, because they're different. Right, we're back. And the hydro lever is mounted. I must say, Hurricane Motorsport, it actually is nice. It's very nice quality. I like it so far. I hope it's gonna perform. Well, there's not much to perform, like it's just a handle, like, but I like it. It's so tidy. Anyways, I have it bolted on. Screws with the nuts underneath. Going to get it on now. Nice and tight in here. We'll get these in, situated. Nice and handy. Right. Sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. Right, I'm gonna quickly run down and get the bolts that are for the piston, and we'll be back. I got the bolts. It actually provides you, this kit here actually provides you nice nuts and bolts. Very tidy. I recommend, very nice, I like. Mr. is a nice kit. Now, I'm gonna do it backwards. So it'll be easier to get on in the future. Come out. Alright, that'll be tight enough. And that would be tight enough. Now, lovely stuff. The handle is big now, so it might actually help her. Hydro is done, and it actually is lovely. It's such a nice hydro. Look at that. Now, yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the position because it's so close to the actual plate here, but that's okay for now. I'm going to be replacing this piston from a 7.75 to a 6.25, but this lever should help her now a lot, tremendously. On to the next job. Cool. So far, we have managed to change the caster positioning into camber positioning. We've took off the spacers to give more camber, so we took the camber out, but also we gave more camber by putting, yeah. Anyway, hydro lever is in. The camber arm is fixed, spot on. And also we've managed to get the bracket in as well. I'm gonna call it a success. So far, it's successful. Yeah, I was supposed to do the bushings. But I wouldn't be able to get this all done in one day. I don't even have the right tools to get the old bushings out. I'd have to drop the subframe out. Ideally, you'd want 2 people here right now with me, getting all this done, because yeah, you can do it as a one-man job, or you can do it with, I can do it myself, but it'd be much quicker if I had another person with me. So what's left on the agenda? Exhaust. That's gonna be a big issue. It bent a lot. So what I have to do now, I'm going to have to bend it back, weld the crack, and then bend again around the other side then, so it actually forms into place. It's okay, no problem. It's not the biggest of issues. We will get this done, and it will be done today. Right, we're gonna move on to the exhaust. So we're gonna have to weld up this lovely crack that we have here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this whole exhaust back, close that gap, weld it, and then I'm going to try to do something about this. Now, my idea is that I'm going to try heat it up in some way, shape, or form. How? I don't know. I really don't know how will I heat it up. I don't have a blowtorch. I don't have anything like that along them lines. So I'm gonna have to try to figure something out. Once that's all done, I presume that's literally it. I won't have anything else for doing today. And then until tracking next Friday. Look, I mean, there's nothing else I can really do other than start the job. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera down somewhere, and I'll crack on with this. So. I've managed to bend the exhaust to a certain position that I actually like it, but I've come up with a certain idea. I actually wanted to sit like this close to the hanger and this close to the chassis or the subframe. I might cut this and re-weld it way up here, put it right in here, re-weld it right there, and put it here. It's such a stupid idea, but it actually worked. It's nice and tight. Well, it's so tight that it is touching. That's how tight it is, which was kind of the idea behind it. But what I think I will do is just a small bit out. Just like that. Do I chance it? I have one day to get this done, so it's okay. On Friday, let's just say if I was too much, or if it does fall off, loading it onto the trailer or off the trailer, whatever, I'll just change it here on Friday. So, but for now, looks like it's going to work. I'm going to leave it. And also, I will bring spare galva band. I will bring spare hoses, and I'm also going to bring the bushing, just in case. The E46 is done for now. So all I'm going to do now is load it up on the trailer next Friday, and I'm going to bring it for tracking on Friday. But yeah, we're going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, you know what to do. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.